Hello, good morning. Today we do some important problems regarding trigonometry, which is useful for both AP students and Telangana students. They have board exams in the month of June, first week. So regarding keeping that in point of view, I am showing some 3 to 4 important problems. All of you please look at this. Before going to the subject, all of you please subscribe the channel, like it and share it. Now we will see here, show that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74, it is equal to 1. So before doing this, you have to remember one thing. When theta 1 plus theta 2, it is equal to, when theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees. That is, in a right angle triangle, we already know that one angle will be 90 degrees. Naturally, the other two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So when theta 1 plus theta 2 into 90 degrees, then regarding tan theta 1 into tan theta 2, it is always equal to 1. When theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, then tan theta 1 into tan theta 2, it is always equal to 1. Now here we have to rearrange according to this. I already told you that when theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, so we arrange like this. These two we take as a one product, and these two we take it as a 1. So tan 48 plus tan 42 I am writing here. Tan 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Is it clear, all of you? We have to make an arrangement such that theta 1 plus theta 2, it is equal to what? It should be equal to 90 degrees. In such a way we have to arrange like this. Tan 48 plus 42 is 90, 16 plus 74 is equal to 90. So I already told you that when it is equal to 90 degrees, then tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to what? It is equal to 1. So if you take this product is equal to 1, and if you take these two as a one product, this is also equal to 1. So 1 into 1, it is equal to 1. Is that clear, all of you? When you get this type of problems, no need to confuse. When theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, then tan theta 1 into tan theta 2, it is always equal to 1. Similarly, not only for tan, this is useful for cot also. Cot theta 1 into cot theta 2, it is also equal to 1. So based on this, I arranged the problem like this. 48 plus 42 I took as a one product, and 16 and 74 as a 1. 48 plus 42 is 90, 16 plus 74 is 90. Therefore tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1. Here also theta 1 into theta 2, it is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Have a look, all of you. We take one more. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. Before, what is given here? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. What it is given? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Now this tan 2a, I am changing in the form of a cot, so this can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. What is the cot 90 minus theta? Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So I changed the tan 2a in the form of a cot 90 minus 2a. It is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. If you want, here we can write tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. What is the cot 90 minus theta? Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So similarly, tan 2a we can change in the form of cot 90 minus 2a. Is it clear, all of you? Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to what? Cot a minus 18. So on both the sides, RHS and LHS, we have both cot only. So we write like this: 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. 90 degrees minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Therefore, 90, if you bring minus 18 this side, this will become plus 18. It is equal to a minus 2a. If you bring here, this will become plus 2a. Therefore, 90 plus 18, it is equal to 108. 2a plus a is 3a. Therefore, a is equal to 108 by 3, that is equal to 36 degrees. So like this we can find the values. Again I am repeating, tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. So this tan I am changing in the form of a cot. Tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So tan 2a we can change in the form of cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. On both the sides we have a cot only. So I took 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. We bring numerals to one side and alphabets to one side here. Minus 18, if you bring this side, this will become plus 18. Minus 2a, if you bring here, this will become plus 2a. 90 plus 18 is 108. 2a plus a is 3a. So a is equal to what? A is equal to 108 by 3. That is equal to 36 degrees. Have a look. Now we take one more important problem regarding for examination point of view. If A, B and C are interior angles of a right triangle ABC, or the interior angles of right triangle ABC, then we have to show that tan A plus B by 2, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. ABC are what? ABC are the interior angles of a triangle, right triangle ABC. We need to prove that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Now, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it is equal to what? It is equal to 180 degrees in a right angle triangle. The sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That is, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Is it clear, all of you? Now what we have to do is divide with 2 on both the sides. Divide with 2 on both the sides. Therefore, I am splitting this. A plus B by 2 plus C by 2, it is equal to 90 degrees. Is it clear, all of you? Sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Next, what we have to do? Divide with 2. Divide with 2 on both sides. On both sides. So, A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. If you bring C by 2 this side, so that this C by 2 will become 90 minus C by 2. Now next is we have to take a tan on both the sides. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. Are you following, all of you? Take a tan on both the sides. Tan a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. Therefore, I can say like this, tan a plus b by 2 is equal to, this is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. That is a cot c by 2. So like this we have to prove tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Again I am explaining the sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Next step is divide with a 2 on both the sides. Now I am splitting this part. A plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 is 90 degrees. Next bring a c by 2 this side so that it will become minus. So next you take a tan on both the sides. Tan a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. So tan a plus b by 2 is equal to, what is the tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, it is equal to cot theta. Therefore, this tan 90 minus c by 2, I can write like this, cot c by 2. So, this tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Like this, we can prove any kind of problem when you get based on these, when they give three angles that is equal to, we have to take as a 180 degrees and we have to solve. Have a look. Okay, all of you, please subscribe my channel. You like it and share it, and all the best. You please practice these problems and you go through all videos so that you will learn all the basic concepts regarding trigonometry. Once you know all the basic concepts, you can you are in a position to solve any kind of a problem which is based on this trigonometry. Have a nice day.